For people training for fat loss, strength, or endurance, how different should nutrition strategy should be?
See, nutrition strategies have to be different,
Okay.
because अगर आप endurance exercise कर रहे हैं, you need something which gives you sustained energy.
Okay.
So you can, pull through and do that long activity. And that's why you need consistent supply of energy.
Right.
So, you have to do a bit of carbohydrate loading. You have to, keep on replenishing your energy stores. But if you need something which needs a lot of energy, like a spurt of energy, then obviously you have to give a different kind of, fuel to your body at that point in time. Like for instance, जैसे white bread को इतना खराब बोला जाता है, right? Now, if you need to release instant energy for some kind of sport, a simple white bread with little jam can give you instant energy. So, sometimes you have to do these kind of little tweaks. So there's nothing called, this is wrong and this is right. Depending on what you want to achieve, there are different kind of, fueling methods which we have.
Right. And in fact, मुझे लगता है ना, anything excess can become worst for you. Whether you are eating a healthy diet or whether you are eating a junk food. So अगर आप junk food भी खा रहे हो, excess खा रहे हो, तो it's going to be harmful. कम खा रहे हो, it's not going to harm. अब जैसे चलो लोग इतना myth बना चुके हैं, चलो jam bread या कुछ भी है, वो worst है, मतलब it's like a poison, it's like a cancerous thing. बट आप सेम थिंग हेल्दी डाइट में भी कर रहे हो कि आप सैलेड बहुत ज्यादा खा रहे हो, फाइबर बहुत ज्यादा दे रहे हो, आपका बॉडी आपका गट नहीं ले पाएगा, डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाएगा.
For instance, I'll give you an example. I had a patient. She was extremely health conscious, health fanatic. Not conscious, so matlab is the understatement. Extremely health, she was a health fanatic.
Okay.
And she comes to me and she says that मैं तो इतना clean eating करती हूँ and इतना workout and you name the different kind of activities, Pilates बोलिए, yoga बोलिए, strength training, everything she was doing. And her triglycerides were really high. So she said, ये कैसे हो सकता? How is this possible? And it doesn't even run in my family. So मेरे genetics में भी नहीं है, मैं इतना अच्छा सब कुछ करती हूँ, मेरा triglycerides इतना high क्यों है? So when I analyzed her lifestyle, what I saw was that she was having almost 3 kgs of fruits every day. इतना fruits वो खाती थी. That fruit is nothing but sugar, right? So much sugar, and she was not being able to burn that much sugar. It was getting converted into fat and stored as triglycerides. So अच्छी चीज भी ऐसी, fruits अच्छी चीज, उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि आप बहुत ज्यादा उसको खाएं.
Correct.